Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make this one-layer light and fluffy matcha butter cake. To get started, add 170 grams of softened butter to your stand mixer bowl, along with 200 grams of granulated sugar. Cream this together with the paddle attachment for 5 minutes until the butter is lighter in color and doubled in volume. Now crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Add the eggs one at a time, then mix on medium speed to high speed for another 5 minutes. Don't forget to scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl to ensure even mixing. Now add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 2 tablespoons of cream to the bowl and mix until combined. Then sift in 2 tablespoons of matcha powder, 120 grams of all-purpose flour, and half a teaspoon of baking powder, along with a quarter teaspoon of salt. I gave it a light mix before using the mixer so it wouldn't make a mess. Now mix on low speed until all the dry ingredients are incorporated. And that's it for the cake batter. I tasted it to see if I needed more matcha. Certain brands will have a stronger flavor than some. You can always add an extra tablespoon or so if you want a stronger matcha flavor. Next, add parchment paper to the bottom of an 8-inch cake pan and spray the sides with cooking spray. Add the batter to the cake pan and smooth the top. Tap the pan on the counter to let out any air bubbles. Bake in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Cool down the cake at room temperature, then use a knife to help release the sides. Invert onto a plate or serving platter. For the topping, add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar and 2 teaspoons of matcha. Give it a mix. Sift this over the cake to cover the top. I'm decorating with fresh strawberries and raspberries. I also made little flowers out of marshmallow fondant. All of this is optional and you can decorate with any berries or even top with whipped cream. And that's it! This is what the cake looks like at room temperature. The cake was so light, I had trouble picking it up. Be sure to store it in the fridge if you add berries. And it's best served at room temperature, but it's fine to eat cold too. Because we didn't cover the cake in frosting, it's not too sweet. The icing sugar on top is all the extra sweetness you need, and you can taste the matcha, but it's not overpowering. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!